guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're opening some Lego Friend mini boxes. We bought it recently, right, cameraman?
Yeah.
Just say yeah. Oh. Some of the boxes are already plopped out. Look at that box. It has 10 Lego Friends boxes in here. And they're very small. And here's the Lego Friend Lego. And here's the ones that you can collect. And we bought a whole bunch. They're just like very good. Let's check out the boxes. Whoa, this first one is she has something on her hand. I don't know. This second one is a ball of something else. Whoa, it's so pretty. This is a musical place. This is a piano place. This is a fitness place. And and this is a barbecue place. Not a place, a place. And this is a table of flowers and nice teapots and cups. And this one is another fitness area, I think. And this one is this one is a post box. Now, last but not least, we have this one, which is a dog with a doggy bone. And it's very cute. I like this one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The next 10 videos will be all individual boxes, right?
Yeah.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
And give us a big thumbs up.
Like you on Facebook.
And follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, we want to follow you.
Yeah, we'll follow you now.
You follow me.